Hi everyone, this is Darren. Just going to show you a quick look at the ICS updates on the Samsung Galaxy S2. So this is what is touted as the official and final firmware for the European SGS2. As you can see, you've got the Android version 4.0.3 and the XXLPQ baseband version. Now, one of the things about this is that it's a firmware that I've downloaded and installed through Odin, but as far as I'm aware, it is the final one that you'll get on the update. This particular one's been rooted already, which was quite an easy process to do. Basically, I just installed Clockwork mod through the normal recovery along with the super user, and I was able to root it, which is nice and easy. So as you can see, this is the TouchWiz, which is what we're used to on the Samsung. It's very smooth and stable, as you can see. And there's your app drawer, which again is what we're used to on the TouchWiz. So a lot of the looks of ICS have come in the settings here. As you can see, you've got your data usage there. You've got your developer options there, allowing you to do various things if that's what floats your boat. But a lot of the look comes from the apps, as you can see here, with the apps there and with the maps as well. You've got that nice little kind of uniform look going through these apps now, which is very pleasant. In terms of widgets, you don't really get much new. Obviously, I've got my installed apps here, so you can see those going through there. What else we got? Obviously, with it being ice cream sandwich, means you get to use Chrome as well, which for me has been very nice, and I'm very impressed with this. Overall, the actual ROM has been very stable for me. I've had no problems whatsoever. I think the actual release I got from the XDA was untouched, so it was the actual proper one. So if you get this update on your phone, you should find yourself with a nice smooth running phone, quite nippy. But like I say, I mean, in terms of the way it looks and the way it runs, it's more of a aesthetic thing, in the sense, things seem to be more uniform in the way they look. Speed has obviously been improved, so I quite like the way it is. So basically, I'll just run you through exactly how I did this. I'll post a link to the XDA thread. So basically, I installed this over the existing Gingerbread ROM that comes stock with the phone. I used Odin to do that. Managed to install this without any problems. As soon as I'd set this up, I then went into the XDA and downloaded Clockwork mod with the super user. So just to kind of show that that's in here somewhere. There you go, that's super user. What I did then is installed them, just put them onto my routed my SD card, rebooted the phone into normal recovery, and then installed the Clockwork mod and super user from there, and it worked fine. So I was quite pleasantly surprised that, because on the instructions that you find within this firmware on the XDA, it gives you an unsecure kernel to install, but I've kind of seen a lot of people having problems with that, so I was kind of glad to see that I could do that this way. So you've got your accounts here that you can add, as you can see. MySpace is there. Interesting. You've got server there as well, so that's quite good. So yeah, so you've got a lot of things that you can do with this now, and it's a big improvement. I just want to show you as well what I'm kind of using as my launcher at the moment, because I'm not very keen on TouchWiz. The folders are a bit plain, a bit bland, and one of the things that it doesn't do, which other ice cream sandwich does, is allow you to create folders directly by placing icons on top of each other. So you do miss some of those features. So I'm actually using Nova. As you can see, this is the launcher. This is the free version. And this works really well. You just can see how smooth it is. It's very nice and smooth, very stable. No false closes or anything on this at the moment. And this is just nice because you do have the option to be able to create folders in the ice cream sandwich way, which is a pleasant experience. As you can see here, I've got my folders set up. And you've got quite a few options on this as well. Sorry, it's the right one. So you've got quite a few, and there's also a pro version which I'm going to have a little try of later. So you can, that's a quite handy thing. But yeah, this is an excellent launcher if you're using your Samsung Galaxy S2 and you want to have a different launcher. This is very good. So look for that on the I was going to say market then, but it's not anymore. It's the Play Shop, and give that a go if TouchWiz isn't your thing either. Obviously, I've got a beautiful widget there as well. And this feels a bit more like I've got a ice cream sandwich phone, because I think even though the speed and the overall feel of the TouchWiz update is an improvement, it just doesn't seem to have that kind of massive improvement that the ice cream sandwich theme kind of presents on a stock Google experience. So this kind of just brings some of that back. So yeah, so basically in general, like I said, the update is really good, really smooth, fast, and works really well. So give it a go. If you want any help with anything, leave a note, send a message, and I'll try and help out as best I can. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, guys.